Hello everyone. Today's project is a perfect example of the perfect combination of technique and craftsmanship. With determination, he pulls each heavy log, his strength evident as he sets them down. He then turns his attention to the ground. Using a shovel and a wheelbarrow, he moves the earth, shaping the foundation for the project. He digs and levels the ground, compacting it to form a solid foundation. Next, he meticulously digs deep, circular holes marking the location of the future structure. These holes are prepared so that the depth is about 1/3 of the height of the pillar above ground level. After completing the foundation, he began mixing the concrete, scooping up sand, cement, and gravel. He mixed them together before adding water, turning the dry powder into a thick gray paste. He carried heavy buckets of the mixture to the prepared pits. One by one, he lowered tall wooden posts into the ground, anchoring each one firmly with freshly mixed concrete. The skeleton of a building began to rise from the ground. Now the intricate carpentry began. He measured and cut the beams using a handsaw to create the exact length. With a chisel and mallet, he carved intricate mortise and tenon joints into the wood, ensuring a perfect fit. He built a rudimentary ladder to reach the upper sections. Lifting the heavy beams into place, he carefully joined the frame, using an axe to drive wooden pegs deep into the joints, holding the structure together, piece by piece. Through sheer effort and traditional skill, his vision took shape on the vast green landscape. With the sturdy wooden frame and corrugated metal roof in place, the man set about encasing his structure. He began by installing the walls, meticulously nailing each vertical plank to the horizontal supports. Using his trusty hammer and a cleverly crafted nail clamp from a piece of bamboo, he worked at a steady, rhythmic pace. As he moved around the structure, he left carefully measured gaps, framing the windows that would soon let in natural light. Climbing a rudimentary ladder, he reached up to the upper sections, ensuring that every plank was securely fastened, transforming the exposed frame into a sturdy shelter. He then turned his attention to reinforcing the interior, adding cross beams that locked into the columns, giving the entire frame more stability. The structure became stronger and more secure with each addition. He placed a sturdy windowsill at the base of the main entrance, cutting it to the perfect length with a handsaw and hammering it into place. On the ground, he laid the boards side by side and joined them together to form a sturdy board. He then built a sturdy Z-bracing frame on the back, cutting the boards to size and securing them securely, ensuring the door wouldn't sag over time. Once the door was complete, he carried the heavy board to the door, used an axe to cut out recesses for the hinges, and fitted them into place. The modest house was now complete, a testament to his skill and perseverance. The man begins his next project, painstakingly assembling large wooden trusses directly on the ground. With powerful swings of his hammer, he fastens the intricate mortise and tenon joints together, forming the A-frame for the future roof. He then prepares the foundation, digging holes and placing large flat stones to support the main pillars, ensuring a solid and level foundation for the entire structure. The real challenge begins when he prepares to erect these heavy, pre-assembled wooden frames. Using a simple but ingenious system of ropes and pulleys anchored to a nearby pillar, he single-handedly lifts the first giant truss into a vertical position. With incredible balance and strength, he maneuvers it onto the main pillars. He secures it with more ropes, demonstrating his resourcefulness and mastery of traditional techniques. He repeats this process, lifting each truss and connecting them with sturdy beams, slowly building the skeleton of a new structure next to his newly completed cabin. Before finishing, he painstakingly clears the work area, sweeping and burning the excess wood, leaving the new frame standing proudly against the lush landscape. With a sturdy pickaxe, the man meticulously digs a long, narrow trench along the foundation line, preparing the ground for a new connecting structure. He then uses a crowbar and shovel to create deep, evenly spaced holes ready to install the main supports for the new frame. Venturing into the nearby woods, the pair forages together for materials. Their coordination is seamless as they prepare each timber for its place in the building. Back at the construction site, they lift the heavy logs they have prepared and place them firmly in the holes they have dug. With powerful blows from a sledgehammer, they fit the base beams, then use a rammer to compact the ground around each post, ensuring a solid foundation. Once the frame is complete, they install the roof trusses, the woman passing the timbers to the man as he deftly navigates the structure and nails each one securely. Once the frame is complete, they move on to roofing. They brought large sheets of corrugated iron to the site, and the man carefully lifted them up to the rafters. He meticulously stacked and secured each sheet, protecting the structure from the elements. Finally, together they installed the final wooden planks and installed a heavy, sturdy door, completing their new rustic outhouse, a testament to their hard work and traditional craftsmanship. The project is over, but the journey of discovering new structures continues. See you in the next video.